In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tally.so to gather email lists effectively. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketing professional, or just someone looking to streamline your data collection, Tally.so is a fantastic tool that can simplify the process for you. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Tally.so. Once there, click on the correct link to access the site. If you're new to Tally, you'll need to create an account, but if you already have one, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Tally dashboard, your hub for creating and managing forms. Locate the form you wish to edit, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. With your form open, making it suitable for collecting email addresses is straightforward. To add an email input block, type the command email and watch as the email field is automatically inserted into your form. It's important to accompany this with a guiding question for respondents. A simple, effective prompt would be, "What's your email?" as it clearly communicates what information you're seeking. To ensure that every submission includes an email address, you'll need to make the email block a required field. This can be done easily by accessing the settings for the input block and toggling on the required option. By doing this, respondents will not be able to submit the form without entering their email, ensuring you don't miss out on collecting this crucial data. For those who require an extra layer of data accuracy, Tally offers an email verification feature. However, it's worth noting that this is part of the Tally Pro subscription. If accuracy is paramount to your project, this might be a worthy investment. Next, you'll want to tailor the appearance of your form to match your brand. Adjust fonts, tweak background colors, and consider adding a cover image. These aesthetic choices make your form more inviting and cohesive with your brand identity. Once satisfied with your design, publishing your form is the next step. This action generates a shareable link or an embed code, which you can use to distribute your form. With your form live, you can promote it using the shareable link. Distribute this link through various channels such as your website, social media platforms, or via email to reach a broader audience. If maximizing responses is your goal, ensuring the link is easily accessible across your marketing channels is crucial. To further streamline your workflow, you can connect your form to email marketing platforms. With integrations like Zapier, Make, or Pipedream, responses from your form can be automatically synced to your contact lists, ensuring a smooth transition of data from collection to action. By following these steps, Tally.so becomes a powerful ally in your email list building efforts, integrating seamlessly into your marketing strategy and boosting your data collection capabilities.